I'm creating a heart-shaped wedding bouquet keepsake. This customer messaged me asking if she needs to send her whole bouquet or just a few, and I decided since she's my first customer of the day that I would give her a complimentary gift by using the rest of her flowers in this heart-shaped mold. I appreciate all my customers, but she was super sweet. I have a video of how I made her alphabet keepsake linked here and in the description. First, I dry the flowers in silica gel for 2 days. If your flowers are not dried, they can and will continue rotting or wilting inside the resin. I'll put the silica gel I used in the description below. Like I said, I dried these in 2 days, but depending on the silica gel and its instructions and how big the flowers are, it may take longer. I started with a clear layer on the bottom of the mold. Then I began placing the fabric she had around her bouquet, which is just simply gorgeous. I placed her pins in a line as she had them and also added her something blue back on there as well. I let this layer cure alone because I wanted this to stay front and center. The next day I come back and arrange the flowers around her fabric. And once that's done, I add a bit more resin so more of the flowers will be in the same place when I come back tomorrow to add a bit more flowers. I also spray 99% alcohol throughout this process for good measure. To complete this mold, I did about 6 layers, but there's no need to show it all as it's just me pouring and pouring and pouring clear resin until I reach the top. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't be shy, leave a comment and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear. The next day I demold and it looks like this. I'm adding a top layer to it as well so it will look shinier and smoother across the top, which is the clip I added at the beginning of this video. I just wanted to show you what it looked like straight out of the mold. Be sure to check out the video for her alphabet keepsake as well. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.